Good night. I am Luis Guillermo Arcila, the greatest director Carla Triana. I present the State Site Prepared Technology Negotiations, date December 12, 22. Student name Luis Guillermo Arcila Jiménez, director Carla Natalia Triana, grade or course Valuation of Negotiation of Technology, Group 16. Definition of the IP involved and its protection. The Licenso, Colombia software company dedicated to design and support of applications for managerial purposes, such as integrating financial accounting data with the design of a management system based on the principles balanced score and time drive, ABC. This an intangible access differs from others, is not physical, is novel, of great utility, and generates its own benefits, which qualifies it be protected as a patent. The value method used to establish the price and the reason of the selection in the COTS model is COTS method. Improvements in the technological product have contributed to saving research and development costs by 15% compared about other competitors, valued 240,750. Market method. The software company Colombian SA has a royalty approach valued approximately 300,000 2005. The use of the license is in a range between 18% and 20% of projected of license. Income method. Royalty sharing agreement between Software Colombian 25% and distributor 75%. Say the third part for the distributor and one part for the software. The third part is evaluated 300, 2008, 125. General condition of the licensing, option term, and other related information is the license option. Is in the course is the step 3. Technology license with to use a patent, copyright, material or trade secret, or other intellectual property that is legal property on the party. The technology to be licensed may be protected by or more patents, right, copyright, or a trade secret. References. Ryder, R.D. Machavan, 2040, Intellectual Property and Business. The Power of Intangible Assets Charter 1, The Intelligent Landscape. Dani, 2019, Technical Evaluation Software of Technology and Development. Cohen, G.A., 2005, Intangible Asset Valuation and Economic Benefit. Medellín Cabrera Enrique Alberto y Arrellano Alejandro, 2019, sorry. Magnus, J.P., 2012. García Delgado de Ortiz Torres, M. en 2014. OBI, United Technology Contracts, Triana Ortiz, Technology Contracts. And Annex 2, an approximation to a decision model to evaluate intangible assets. Is all. Thank you, Director Carla Triana, for your information and teach in this course, and happy holidays. Bye.